What's going on, Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete from Airkewld with more great content I'm sure you're going to enjoy. Today's broadcast is about the final chapter in what was known as the Barrett Jackson Bay. The pros document the journey to Westworld in Scottsdale, Arizona for the Barrett Jackson Auction, the auction itself, a final goodbye, and more. Before we mark our territory, I want to tell you something we are super excited about. A giveaway at 10K. An ultimate beam to fit your vintage Airkewld VW. To enter, you will need to click that like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below with your favorite VW you currently own or would like to own. The pros will be choosing a winner at 10K subscriber mark. Good luck.
Stars are tracing the sky like city windows. I watch you reflect in your eyes. Slow dance on the New York City high rise. You and me on top of the world. And I'm feeling like it was only ever you. And I'm feeling like you was something I won't lose. You were a part of me. I swear you'll always be. I swear you'll always be a part of me. I'm not sure if I even really know me. Something in you feels like myself. There's a way I see you in this moment. I will hold it all of my life. And I'm feeling like it was only ever you. And I'm feeling like you
God, they got it all dirty.
Slow dance on the New York City.
Looks a little better.
Rise. You and me on top
Sorry.
of
Sure.
the
Yeah.
Very nice.
Thank you. I'm totally a virgin at this, so like every
Build it
little.
up, build it
Yeah,
up.
yeah,
It's good. I love it. The cozy one.
6.5 years.
Yeah.
I even-
You were a part of me. I swear you'll always be. I swear you'll always be a part of me. You were a part of me. I swear you'll always be. I swear you'll always be a part of me.
Power windows, steering and brakes, air conditioning, 1,837 actual miles.
15 down the wire, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 17, 20, 20,000, 20,020.
Restoration with laser straight body and new paint in original metallic rose, and features a rebuilt 440 cubic inch V8 Super Commando engine mated with the rebuilt 727 3-speed automatic transmission.
5, 10, 8, 10, better competition, 5, 10, 15, with 15 down, that's true, $15,000, $10,000, $15,000, $15,000, $15,000, $15,000, $15,000, 12, 15, with 15,000, $17,000, 17, 17, 20, 20,000, 2, 20, 5, 25,000, 10, 25,000, 25,000, 25,000, where, 25, 22, 25, 25, 7, 7, 7, 27,007, 27,007, 5, 7, 7, Jesse, 20, you're missing that car.
You bet. It rides on new tires and wheels, high quality restoration here with all new interior and factory bucket seats.
25, 7, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 7, 5, 6, 8, 20, 8, 8, 20, 8, 20, 8, 8, 28,000, 28,000, 26, 8, 8, there, 26, 7, 6, 7, 77, better employment than that, 27, 687, 27, 27, 27, big block 440, 27, 687, 687, 27, anybody else, last call, 27, 26,000 jobs.
London 430 changes have been made since the catalog. This is an updated description of the 1970 Volkswagen Custom Bus. This line lowered line drop spindles in the front end, boomerang plates and adjustable boomerang shocks in the rear. It also includes stainless steel trim, LED tail lights, and new glass that eliminates the all rear vent windows. Powered by a 1776cc 4-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission with a vintage speed shifter.
$20,000,
Rides on the 17-inch three-piece smoothing wheels and also has custom pedals, custom dash, rebuilt gauges, custom vents, and a flip-up stereo.
28, 9, 30, 30, 30, and now 2, and 32, 32, got 30 with Austin, 32, I'm 2, 30, 1, 32, 30, 2, 1, 2, 5, 30, 5, 32, 3.
Interrupt this video. I wanted to show you guys pro-built drop spindles. Come 2.5-inch dropped for drum applications or a pad series disc brakes. Fully assembled with German kingpins and German link pins. Bolt-on application. We even send you a prepaid shipping label to send back yours. Get a rebate. More info in the description below. Now back to the film.
32, 3, 3, 5, 35, 5, 35 pepperoni, please. 35, 5, 35, 35, 5, 4, 5, 35, so $34,000. Chris, thank you.
Lot number 430.1.
I appreciate you watching this video in its entirety. You are pretty special to us and where we want to take this channel. If you like this content, please click that like button. If you aren't subscribed yet, you can do so here. If you can't wait for the next broadcast to drop, you can click that bell to get notified. Last but certainly not least, please be safe out there driving these Volkswagens. The Airkewld Army isn't the same without you. Check your oil, lube your zerks, check your bolts. This is your friend Pete from Airkewld saying goodbye for now. Enjoy your day.